welcome back to my channel. My name is Kajal and I love clicking self-portraits, as you know already, and today's video is going to be one of the videos where I share about how I clicked these birthday themed self-portraits, but with a little twist. So the day you're watching this video is actually my birthday, and in this video I'm going to get ready, I'm going to do makeup, but the catch here is I'm not a beauty vlogger and I just do survival makeup. So I'll just mention the things I'm using down here and I'll talk you through the process of clicking the self-portraits. Let's begin. Okay, so me and my friend Ishita, we share our birthdays not on the same date, but it's like similar. She has her birthday on 1st of September and I have my birthday on 2nd of September. So we were planning to do this shoot together for a long time, and that's exactly what we did. So initially we wanted to do it at a studio, but then reality check is we did not have the budget. So for the background, we used white dhoti. वो भी completely background को cover नहीं कर पाया था, but I think it looked quite decent. You can use white bed sheets, you can use a plain wall. Even if it is not white, you can just color coordinate everything and it will look aesthetic. Okay. So for the props, we decided to use colorful balloons and some gifts. So you can use big boxes, cardboard boxes if you have if you have purchased recently anything big. Anything you have ordered online, shoe boxes, jewelry boxes, you can wrap it. We used chart papers for wrapping. Also guys, it's my day 1 of wearing contact lenses, and that is why you're seeing me without any glasses. So let me know if you like me with glasses or not. Now if you talk about the tripod and stuff, I'll link some products in the description box below, you can check. Otherwise, if you have a tripod, then very good. If you don't, you can, always stack some books up and use anything. Also guys, if you remember about the creative block I was talking earlier, like 2 to 3 videos back, finally I'm getting rid of it. Finally I'm able to write down video ideas and work on them. So I'm really happy about it, and you guys are going to see a lot of good content. So subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Okay, now let's talk about the eye makeup, because I get a lot of questions about my eye makeup. Recently I did this makeup and it was actually an experiment. I used acrylic paint for my eyeliner, which is not suggested until and unless you protect your skin with good primer, moisturizer and all of that. So for the eye makeup, I always start with either concealer or foundation. Today I'm just going with my foundation, just a little bit of it, and you can just strawberry kiss, 'cause nothing as sweet the taste still drive me crazy. Hey. My strawberry kisses. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It's really something different from my usual videos, but hey, let me know if you liked it or not. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below anything you want, or you could wish me because it's my birthday today. And I'll see you in my next video, which is Friday 6 p.m. And till then, bye and take care.